Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your data storage settings on Audible. So, once you open your Audible application, you want to go to your profile, and then in the top right corner you are going to find the settings icon, which is this icon right here. So just click on it, and now on the top there is the data and storage settings. So let's go into, and here as you can see you have a download quality, so you can set it to high or standard. The high means, more space on your device. The spatial audio, so it means that the audio is going to be downloaded in the Dolby Atmos when it is available in the application. Stream and download on Wi-Fi only, so it means that you're going to be able to use Audible on the Wi-Fi only unless you have something downloaded. So if you play something that is downloaded in your library, you're also going to be able to listen to it after switching this setting on. Also, there's an option auto download, so it means that if you turn it on, it is going to download all the titles that you have added to your library. Auto remove, it deletes the titles, downloaded titles after finishing. So it's not like after finishing, you have to go to the library and click it, mark as finished. So now if this title has been downloaded earlier, after marking it as finished, it is going to be removed from my device. Then you have download by parts. Basically, from the start you're going to have selected the single part and the multi-part. As you can see, if you turn it on, this is going to be more seamless syncing experience across some devices. And also you have the Apple Book synchronization also in the data storage, but as you can imagine, this is only works on Apple devices. So this is it. These are all the data and storage settings on Audible. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.